Nengo gai tango do yakolechi.
Ali training.
Jeno Muhoozi ali kuchi.
Ati kuchi.
Dwe mwogezi.
Anti kasaya londa fu.
Jeno Muhoozi kasaya balonda ati
Did Uganda see Jesus? Did Jesus came to Africa only when he was 4 days, could not speak. The moment Jesus has a church with the disciples, the church is strong in Africa. The moment Muhoozi appointed us, and we should talk, Muhoozi does not need to talk.
Jeno Muhoozi teyetaaga kati
akasala banzi.
Obwa president busula wamu.
Kasita omusajja oyo yandeete yawadde emitwalo gya $3.7 Muhoozi is very formidable. I'm formidable. Natungisizayo ne suuti endala nya.
Luli wali okuba ku kifango ga faba China tuli kuono. Tuli kuono.
Kintu kyangenze ono yadduse. Olaba akwata $1 ne you see kambabuli. Batusomesa mu psychology ne wasoma psychology. In the case of a trouble, obongo bubu busoko okenda. When you are in trouble and you cannot advise yourself, how can a sensible man, like the gentleman I know, think that by giving me $7 why didn't he give me this money longer time ago? Because you fought me in 2014. What have you been waiting? What has attracted you now to think about me to come back? That did not attract you before Muhoozi came. How can you tell a woman, a sensible woman, who is carrying a pregnancy of twins, the one you chased, you humiliated, and threw on Kasasiru, that abort and come back? This means omusajja abadde ayagala nnyo obwa president tewabubalira tewapulaninga obadde okuba buli muntu yenna. A crown prince is a political principle. A crown prince cannot take a power. Oyo alinga Mbabazi alinga Besigye ajja genda naye bwatyo bwakomye akomye kunjo kye. Oyo bwatyo bwakomye yefuula ow'ekitalo nonyala kati addira abantu beyanyamu edda ebitole byeyanyamu edda and I use kunia. I'm a mass communicator. Ayagala kati atukomyewo atuteekemu mazi fresh akubaka ita mazi fresh kasema malo kunia mune bayiwayo bwe bakukomyawo ne bakunyamu oba bagiyita jabu y'amazi baba kuvudde ng'eyalwala covid bakomyawo ne bakuba jabu y'amazi ey'okubiri.
Nzaita tugenda kusookawo wano.